ways to use Maxi's background layers. First, toggle the Settings tab. In the sidebar, open the background layers. Toggle the layer open to see the settings. Click on the color swatches to change the color and create interesting effects. Using shapes, toggle open the shape layer settings. Click the Load Shape Library button to launch the shape library and select the shape you wish to use. Using the swatches again, change the color and adjust the opacity using the slider. Now let's repeat the steps until you have the desired effect. In this next example, we will add an image in the background. Select Add New Background Layer, choose Background Image from the drop-down menus and click Select Image. Next, let's change the background size to cover. Next, toggle open the Set Equal options. Using the slider, let's move the background image into place. In the next example, we are going to use a shape layer again. Using the sidebar settings, select Add New Background Layer, choose Background Shape, and pick your shape. Change the color of the shape. Next, toggle open the Set Equal options and add top space to push the shape into position. In this example, we are going to use a clip path. Toggle open the layer with the background image, scroll down and select the Use Clip Path button. Next, select Use Custom Clip Path. Click on the corner dot of the clip path and drag the dot into place. In our last example, we are going to add a background layer to our row to make the text more visible on the page. Subscribe for more MaxiBlocks tips and tricks.